I am Aura Invests. If you had $1,000 to invest today, would you put it into Bitcoin, gold, or silver? This decision could shape your financial future over the next decade. And today, I'm going to explain exactly how smart investors in the United States and the United Kingdom think about these three powerful assets. Let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is often called digital gold. But what makes Bitcoin special is scarcity. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence. That makes it different from traditional currencies that governments can print at any time. Over the past decade, Bitcoin has become one of the fastest-growing financial assets in history. Major institutions like hedge funds, investment firms, and even pension managers are now adding Bitcoin to their portfolios. However, Bitcoin is volatile. Prices can rise quickly, and they can also fall quickly. That means Bitcoin is best for investors who are thinking long-term and can tolerate short-term market swings. Now let's talk about gold. Gold has protected wealth for over 5,000 years. When inflation rises, when markets crash, when uncertainty increases, investors move towards gold. That's why central banks across the world still store gold reserves today. In the United States and the United Kingdom, gold is considered a stability asset. It doesn't usually grow as fast as Bitcoin, but it protects purchasing power over time. That makes gold one of the safest long-term investment foundations. Now let's look at silver. Silver is one of the most underrated investment metals right now. Unlike gold, silver is not only a store of value, it is also heavily used in industry. Silver is essential for solar panels, electric vehicles, electronics manufacturing, and future clean energy infrastructure. As technology expands worldwide, demand for silver continues to increase. Because of that, many analysts believe silver may have strong upside potential in the coming decade. So, now the important question: which one should you invest in? Professional investors rarely choose only one asset. Instead, they diversify. Diversification reduces risk while increasing long-term stability. Here's a simple strategy many beginner investors in the US and UK follow. 50% gold for stability, 30% Bitcoin for growth potential, 20% silver for opportunity exposure. This combination creates balance inside a modern portfolio. Gold protects, Bitcoin grows, silver expands opportunity. But there is something even more important than choosing the right asset: consistency. The investors who succeed are not the ones who guess perfectly. They are the ones who invest regularly and stay patient. Building wealth is not about timing the market. It is about time in the market. So whether you're starting with $100, $1,000, or $10,000, the best time to begin investing intelligently is today. Because the earlier you start, the stronger your financial future becomes. I am Aura Invests. If you want to learn how smart countries invest, how global markets move, and how you can build real wealth step by step, like this video, subscribe to Aura Invests, and join the journey towards financial intelligence.